you like iced coffee as much as I do, I'm going to show you how to make a great iced coffee that's a little bit different. It's an iced cloud coffee. First, we'll start by adding your milk of choice. I'm using oat milk, but feel free to use whatever type of milk you like. And I'm going to fill the glass maybe 1/3 full, just like that. Okay. Next is when you would add any sweetener that you like, honey, agave, a little bit of cane sugar, whatever your choice is. I'm not adding any for today, but that's the best time to add it. Stir it in with a spoon. Next, I'll be adding some ice and filling it up to about 2/3 full. Okay, that'll work. Now for the cloud effect. You want to use a really strong coffee because the milk and ice will dilute your drink. So I'm going to use cold brew from concentrate that I had, but you can use a shot of espresso or any strong coffee. And we're going to froth it using a hand frother until it turns golden brown. So just put the frother into the coffee and you'll see it start to change color. That's nice golden brown color. And watch what happens when we pour it in. How cool is that? Of course, when you mix it up, it'll blend together and be like a typical iced coffee. It'll taste really good, but that's a cool presentation. Give it a shot. Hope you enjoy it.